Hello friends, welcome to IKS1 Volume your YouTube channel, and today the topic will be the study of poetry by Mathew Arnold. Okay, so it is a unique critical essay in which Arnold criticized the art of poetry as well as the art of criticism. He says that we should understand the worth of poetry because it is poetry that shows us mirror of life. According to Arnold, science is incomplete without poetry. Religion and philosophy will give way to the poetry. And the author says that when one reads poetry, he tends to estimate whether it is the best form of not. It happens in three ways: the real estimate, the historic estimate, and the personal estimate. Okay, so what is real estimate? So real estimate is a unique view of point that takes it into account both the historic context and creative context of the work to judge the work of poetry. But the real estimate is often suppressed by the historic and personal estimate. And historic estimate, what is historic estimate? Estimate place the historic context above the value of the art. It raises poetry to high pedestal, and those hinder one from noticing its weakness. What is personal estimate? It depends on the personal taste, like the dislike of the reader, which affect his judgment of poetry. The historic and personal estimate often overshadow the real estimate. And Arnold proposes the Tuscan method, analyzing into the order to determine whether it is the high standard or not. Next, Arnold speaks about Chaucer, who was most influenced by French and Italian poetry. Arnold thinks that the creative action of Shakespeare and Milton are enough to develop poetry. Later, it was improved by John Dryden and Alexander Pope. And the role of the Byron, Shelley, and Wordsworth are not less than ever to develop poetry. In fact, the study of poetry is the best work of Mathew Arnold. Okay, thanks for watching.